Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Student, I hope you're doing well. So today we are going to study protein. So let's understand protein and do step by step. Definition of proteins. Proteins are complex nitrogen containing organic biomolecules made up of amino acids linked together by peptide bonds. They are essential components of living cells and perform many biological functions. Proteins contain mainly carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sometimes sulfur. Basic unit of proteins mean amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. General structure of amino acids: NH2 band CH and or band COOH, where NH2 is amino group, COOH is carboxyl group, or is a side chain different for each amino acids. Formation of peptide bond: when two amino acids join together, a peptide bond forms by removal of water. Reaction: amino acid plus amino acid gap dipeptide plus H2O band COOH plus band NH2 gap band CO band NH bond plus H2O. Peptide bond formation. Sources of proteins: animal sources of proteins: meat, fish, eggs, milk, cheese. Plant sources of protein: pulses, lentil, beans, nuts, soybeans, and lentils. Functions of proteins. The first one is growth and repair of body tissues. Second one, formation of enzymes and hormones. Third one, formation of muscles and skin. Fourth one, transport of substances in hemoglobin. Fifth one, production of antibodies in immunity. Types of proteins. First one, fibrous proteins, long and strong, example keratin, collagen. Second one, globular proteins, round shape, example enzymes, hemoglobin. Key characteristics of proteins. Proteins have a high molecular weight, complex structure, sensitive to heat and denaturation, essential for life processes. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on protein and reaction. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.